Hello, everyone. Welcome to Best Product. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the best 850 watts power supply on the market, the Corsair RM850E. If you're looking for a high-performance, reliable, and quiet PS, you then stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. Fully modular design. One of the biggest advantages of the RM850A is its fully modular cabling system. Unlike traditional SUS with fixed cables, this design allows you to connect only the cables you actually need for your system. This helps reduce clutter inside your PC case, improves airflow, and makes cable management much easier. A cleaner build not only looks better but also helps keep components cooler. Intel ATE X 3.0 certified. The RM850E complies with the Intel ATE X 3.0 power supply standard. This is important because it means the PESU is built to support the latest CE Gen 5 platform and can handle transient power spikes efficiently. Transient spikes occur when components suddenly demand extra power, and the RM850E is designed to provide stable power delivery during these moments, preventing crashes or instability. Low noise operation. Nobody wants a noisy computer, especially when working or gaming in a quiet environment. The RM850E comes with a 120mm rifle bearing fan and a specially optimized fan curve that minimizes noise. Even under full load, this PSU remains quiet, delivering a peaceful computing experience. Reliable performance. Corsair equips the RM850E with high-quality 105C-rated capacitors. Capacitors are vital for smooth and stable power delivery, especially under heavy loads or demanding conditions. This rating ensures that the PSU can consistently provide stable power, which protects your hardware and improves overall system reliability. Energy efficiency and modern standby. The PSU features modern standby compatibility, enabling fast wake times from sleep mode. It also enhances energy efficiency, especially at low loads, which means it consumes less power when your system is idle or lightly used. This can translate into savings on your electricity bill over time, a great eco-friendly feature. Pros. Fully modular cables for easy management and cleaner builds. Intel ATE X 3.0 certification ensures compatibility with latest platforms and power spikes protection. Quiet operation with 120mm rifle-bearing fan and optimized fan curve. High-quality 105C-rated capacitors for reliable and stable performance. Energy efficient with modern standby for fast wake times and reduced power consumption. Supports up to 850 watts, ideal for gaming and workstation CEs. Strong brand reputation from Corsair. Cons. Slightly higher price compared to basic power supplies, but justified by features. Fanless operation, not available fan runs under load, although very quiet. Final thoughts. The Corsair RM850E 850 watts power supply is a top-tier choice for anyone building a high-performance PC who values reliability, efficiency, and quiet operation. Its fully modular design makes cable management easy and keeps your system looking clean. The Intel ATE X 3.0 certification ensures you're ready for the latest hardware and power demands, while high-quality capacitors and an optimized fan keep the power delivery stable and quiet. While it may cost a bit more than entry-level SUS, the RM850E justifies its price with advanced features, energy efficiency, and the backing of Corsair's trusted name in PC hardware. If you want a power supply that will serve you well for years and keep your system running smoothly and quietly, the Corsair RM850E is an excellent pick. Check the price link in the description. And if you enjoyed this review, Please subscribe to Best Product for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.